Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover your Bybit account if you've forgotten your password. Let's get started. If you've forgotten your password or lost access to your Google Authentication, here's the simple steps to recover your account. Start by opening the Bybit app on your phone. On the login screen, you'll see two options: Forgot Password and Can't Access Google Authentication. Choose the one that applies to your situation. Click on the Google icon. Select the Gmail account you used to register on Bybit. Bybit will guide you to the next step. You'll be asked to complete a simple CAPTCHA, such as dragging an image into place. This verifies that you're not a robot. At this stage, Bybit will ask for your Google Authentication code. Since you've lost access to it, do the following. Click the I no longer have access to Google Authentication option. Bybit will give you two options. Select I have no access to Google Authentication. Bybit will send a verification code to the email address linked to your account. Open your email, copy the code, and paste it into the app. Follow the instructions to proceed with password recovery. Once verified, click on the Google icon again. Bybit will now send another verification code to your Gmail. Enter the code to access the password reset page. Create a strong new password and confirm it. Finally, log into your Bybit account using your new password. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Bybit account even if you forgot your password or lost access to Google Authentication. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.